There is a clear difference in the way that non-Jamaicans and Jamaicans are both reacting to Hurricane Melissa. Now just look at how the non-Jamaicans are reacting to it.
I need help, SOS. We are in Jamaica. The hurricane is hitting us directly. There's 0 commercial flights out of here, and if we don't leave here, we're gonna get stuck for who knows how long.
That is mad. Let's see how the Jamaicans are reacting to it though.
We're reporting live here from Negril, Jamaica, Westmoreland. And I'm telling you, Melissa is coming, guys, and it's being serious around here. Oh my God, I think that someone's styling over there.
Jamaican people, I need y'all to the front. No, because baby, what the hell is this?
Melissa! Melissa! Alright. Before you come on land, me have a list of people who want you take. Take all the gunmen, them bad mind, thief and rapists. Take all of the girls that wanna give a free fuck. Take all the man them wanna mind them youth. Take JPS, them too expensive. Take Andrew only. But I tell you to take EU boss, but him gone to England and smell the rat. Take Money Idol boss, I be a foolish him sing. Take Annie and the Ants family, we're tired of them, and take with Annie old car. Take Jaden because every girl him want to eat. Take Shibad and the old fridge where him sit down pan. But I tell you to take Rosalie, but she too heavy for you. You bad mind, leave the girl BMW alone. Take Monster boss because he don't own a toilet. You go America though. Yeah. Take Auntie than a passport and she steal the transmission them over there. Take Vines for your wine pan him head tap. Take Zuma for your back in face on the mother I get fucked. Leave GX alone and him new house, him have ambition. Take Jabas because he mash up the one view. Take Mackerel because she an informer. Take Cuz for your call him baby mother auntie. Take Dirty Zozo and leave Brit alone. Alright, I eat that. Who that?
I did what I could, and I could what I did on that exam. Anything, we bless the Lord. Understand? And what couldn't be did not be done because it could have did.
Look on the water, brother. The car float way. Look at the water stick on the river. Yo, you see that? That's a shark, I swear. Jesus, man. Move back, come on. Whole heap of things that swim out, you know. Watch the pole,
Does Jamaica grasp the severity of the situation that they are in right now? Because why am I watching videos of them dirty whining in the streets? Why am I watching videos and I'm hearing Clarks me prefer, Clarks for the summer, Clarks for the winter? Do they? I feel like I care more about what's going on over there than them. Jamaica, y'all are stressing me out. Like, I'm trying to pray for y'all. I'm trying to pray, but God is looking at my prayers like, you gotta help. You gotta help God help you. You gotta help me help God help. Like, you gotta help. You can't be doing what you're doing. Like, oh my God.
South Africa, I think I can confirm our true siblings in the diaspora, a nation just as unserious as us, and that is Jamaica. Because while they are being hit by the most powerful storm ever, and the rest of the world is sending thoughts and prayers, this is what Jamaicans are up to.
Buckland! Buckland!
Jamaicans are probably the closest thing to South Africans outside of Africa. I even asked who should replace the Afrikaner refugees, and a lot of people said Jamaicans. That connection has always been there. Even growing up in Cape Town in the colored community, we had Rastafarians. I'm not sure what the story is behind that, but there were Rastafarians. Reggae music has always been really popular in South Africa. Then there's the party culture, the humor. There's always been a lot of similarities. I think after we win the World Cup in the USA next year, we must stop in Jamaica on the way home and have an after party. I think that would be more intense than the storm. South Africans and Jamaicans partying together. But as unserious as we are, we hope and pray that everyone remains safe and that the island recovers quickly.
There is a clear difference in the way that non-Jamaicans and Jamaicans are both reacting to Hurricane Melissa. Now just look at how the non-Jamaicans are reacting to it. That is mad. Let's see how the Jamaicans are reacting to it though.
Water! Water, my side! Me not moving. Watch everything start to wash here now. Don't feel like a joke. Water, me not moving and not save me.
Rain done.
You gotta love Jamaicans, man. They will always find the positives out of the negative situations. You guys are absolute legends, and we are praying that you guys make it through this.
The entire world is busy stressing. God, oh my God, Hurricane Melissa. Y'all seen those videos of the plane, like people literally capturing the hurricane from above the clouds? It looks scary. If I saw that when I was in a plane, I would literally faint. And people were so scared even in the sky. Meanwhile, the people on the ground. Okay, no, because what do you mean someone is busy driving their car in the hurricane? And also, how are you playing a game in the middle of the water? Like, sir, what kind of fishing are you fishing? Do you even realize we have sharks that escaped from the sea and they are out here looking for y'all to eat you? Who the hell brought that hurricane? Oh my God. Really? Jamaican people. Jamaican people, how many times have I called you? Y'all know Jamaican people are literally that African child that her entire clanhood is busy praying for to stay safe. Meanwhile, the child they're praying for.
Oh, well. Wow. Yo. Yo.
I don't know if y'all have seen the videos of Hurricane Melissa, like that huge hurricane that just hit Jamaica, because recently my feed has been inundated with videos of Hurricane Melissa, and I don't know if it's just me, but all of the videos I've been seeing have been so jarring. I'll first see this video of this serious newscaster being like, this is the strongest hurricane on record and you have to prepare because this is apocalyptic. Next video I see though are these Jamaicans in Jamaica during the hurricane playing around in the storm surge going like bomba clot. Then I'll scroll again and it will be another serious video and it will be this person being like, we've never seen wind speeds this high, might as well just say goodbye to your roof right now. The next video I see, I kid you not, are Jamaicans using their raincoats as parachutes trying to get airtime in the hurricane winds. I don't know how, but some of the videos make it look fun, but I know it is not fun. Literally just saw this video of this Jamaican official being like, yeah, because of all of the flooding, crocodiles could go from their flooded habitat to the flooded neighborhoods of the locals. So locals should stay inside and watch out for crocodiles in their neighborhood. Then the next video I see are these girls doing a TikTok dance outside in their flooded neighborhood in Jamaica. I don't know, man. I feel like this just shows that we are the most unserious generation. Am I alone though? Like, has anyone else been going through this? Has anyone seen those videos? But in all seriousness, everyone impacted by that hurricane is in my thoughts.
Don't talk about the people in Jamaica and Hurricane Melissa. This is disgusting. There's nothing funny. Meanwhile, the people in Jamaica... I wasn't laughing at them, I'm laughing with them. They laughing to keep from crying, and I'm laughing in solidarity, all right? Some of y'all are gonna be so mad when you get to heaven and realize that God has the best sense of humor. I mean, some of y'all gonna be spitting mad, okay? You ever been so mad you could just spit? Y'all gonna be spitting mad. But seriously, if you're affected by the hurricane, definitely sending prayers up to y'all. Be careful, be safe, and I pray that everybody come out of it alive and well. I'm sorry to miss it. Bumblaclot. Woo!
Bumbleclad! Woo!
Man, from today onwards, I ain't taking Jamaicans seriously. No, because tell me, what kind of trouble can shake y'all? I really want to know. Jamaicans to the front. What kind of problem can come to your country and it shakes you out to literally be in fear? Because we're talking about a hurricane that shook people in NASA, people above the clouds, and y'all on the ground are not shaking at all.
A lot of people might watch this and start cussing people and wanna say, yo, look how they are, pray for you. On over there, so I risk on the life on all this on that. I'm gonna show you something. Jamaicans is a set of people, brother. No matter what we are go through, we try to make light of the situation. You get me? I said, it no matter what you do, if you go under the bed, go hide, you cannot change the outcome of what go on. You go there, you just say, okay, lock up in one closet and pray for 2 days, you can't change the outcome of what go on. You see what I said?
This creator posted this, and I swear I love being Jamaican because, you know, it just reminds me that no matter what's going on, life is like a disco ball. You just keep dancing. Or no matter how much the music changes, you just keep on dancing. Because at the end of the day, it's always going to work itself out. But it really makes me laugh to see, like, no matter what, guess what? Hurricane, they're having a ball. We're here praying for them, and we should still be praying for them because we want to make sure they're okay. But they're like, all right, you know, we're in a bad times, but we're going to smile and laugh through it. And no wonder, you know, I always knew I was a fool. And my father is, that man is even a bigger fool. But I know I get it honestly. And when I see this, I'm like, yeah, there's no way I'm not Jamaican. Jamaicans are so unserious where there will be like a blind man and I'm going to call him Bliney. And, you know, like, Bliney will laugh about it too. Like, he's not offended. And he'll be coming down the street and we'll say, look at Bliney. Him can't even see we coming. That's just, man, Jamaicans are unserious. Really unserious. Anyway, Jamaica, I'm praying. I'm really praying. And one love.
Mummy, what do you watch? Me dip on TikTok live. Me I watch Hurricane Melissa party. What? Make me see. Look funny. Make bad things, make joking. Me nah laugh. You know, funny.
Bombo clad!
Me I write my name for my zinc in a can, but now come thief them after I stand one back everything. Nah laugh. Enough funny, me nah laugh.
I need help, SOS. We are in Jamaica. The hurricane is hitting us directly. There's 0 commercial flights out of here, and if we don't leave here, we're gonna get stuck for who knows how long. If anybody knows anybody who can get us out of Jamaica, we don't care. We'll go anywhere in the United States. We just need to get out of Jamaica.